Dear children, today let us learn more about Islam. This is the first chapter for the 9th standard. We have got 8 to 9 important religions in the world. What is religion? Religion is a word derived from Latin word, which means merge with the God. Re means again. Religion means merge. Again merge means merge with the God. Religion means merge with the God. The important world religions are Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Christianity, Islam, Zoroastrianism, Taoism, Confucianism, Shintoism. These are the important world religions. Which are the important world religions? The important world religions are Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Confucianism, Taoism, Shintoism. These are the important world religions. What is meant by religion? The word religion is derived from the Latin word. Re means again. Religion means merge. Again merge means merge with the God. We have come from the God, we are going back to God. Life is a journey from himself to himself. Today in this period, let us learn about Islam. Islam is one of the important world religions. About 30% of the people in the world are Muslims. There are more than 33 Islamic countries in the world. It is one of the major important religions of the world. Muhammad Paigambbar founded Islam. Who founded Islam? Muhammad Paigambbar founded Islam. Who were the parents of Muhammad bin Paigambbar? The parents of Muhammad Paigambbar were Abdullah and Amina. Abdullah and Amina were the parents of Muhammad Paigambbar. There are two cities of Muslims. They are Mecca and Medina. Mecca and Medina are the two holy cities of Muslims. Khadija was the wife of Muhammad Paigambbar. She was a businesswoman. She was a rich lady. She was a widow. She was about 44 years old when she married Muhammad Paigambbar. Muhammad Paigambbar was younger than Khadija. Quran is the holy book of Muslims, Islam. Quran is the holy book. Muhammad Paigambbar used to go to mountain and do meditation. When he was doing meditation, he got the message from the God, and he was illiterate. Muhammad Paigambbar was illiterate. He was not knowing how to read and write. Whatever message he received, he told one of the persons who wrote down all the messages given by Allah to Muhammad Paigambbar, and those messages were consolidated and kept in a book. This is called Quran. Quran is the holy book of Islam. Muslims celebrate many festivals. They celebrate festivals like Ramzan, Muharram, Bakrid, Eid Milad, etc. During Ramzan, Muslims fast for 30 days. This is called the festival of fasting. During Bakrid, Muslims give alms to the poor people. Alms means giving food, money, or donation to poor people, poor and needy. So, Muslims donate money and material to the poor Muslims. This is called the festival of alms. And Eid Milad and Muharram are two other festivals of Muslims. They celebrate with fervor and gaiety. So, Islam is another important religion. What are the teachings of Muhammad Paighambar? Muhammad Paighambar founded Islam. Allah is the God for the Muslims. Allah is invisible. He is Nirakar. He gave his teachings to Muhammad Paighambar. Muhammad Paighambar consolidated the teachings. Muslims conduct prayer 5 times a day. They face towards Mecca and Medina and they offer prayer. The prayer is called namaz. Muslims offer prayer for 5 times in a day. And every Muslim have to read Quran every day. Reading Quran is holy work for the Muslims. They read Quran. Thirdly, they go to Mecca and Medina at least once in lifetime. They go to Mecca and Medina during once a lifetime. Then they also fast during Ramzan. They don't eat from morning till evening anything. They eat before the sunrise and after the sunset. They celebrate the holy Ramzan with fasting. Now, let us know the question and answer. Who founded Islam? Muhammad Paighambar founded Islam. Who were the parents of Muhammad Paighambar? Abdullah and Amina were the parents of Muhammad Paighambar. Which are the holy cities of Muslims? Mecca and Medina are the two holy cities of Muslims. Who was Khadija? Khadija was wife of Muhammad Paighambar. She was a rich lady. Which is the holy book of Islam? Quran is the holy book of Islam. Which are the religious festivals of Muslims? Ramzan, Bakrid, Muharram, Eid Milad, etc. are the religious festivals of Muslims. I read the question and answer once more. Who founded Islam? Muhammad Paighambar founded Islam. Who were the parents of Muhammad Paighambar? Abdullah and Amina were the parents of Muhammad Paighambar. Which are the holy cities of Muslims? Mecca and Medina are the holy cities of Muslims. Who was Khadija? Khadija was wife of Muhammad Paighambar. She was a rich lady. Which is the holy book of Islam? Quran is the holy book of Islam. Which are the religious festivals of Muslims? Ramzan, Bakrid, Muharram, Eid Milad, etc. are the holy festivals of Muslims. So today I have given some 6 questions. Children, make a note out of these questions. Read, by the answers. I will continue and I will give you the teachings of Muhammad Paigambar, teachings of Islam, which are the two sects of Islam, and what is Shiaism, what is Sunniism. I will explain tomorrow. You buy these answers, but you make the notes. Sai Ram.